So in the previous video we were discussing about the organs which is involved in the respiratory system, right? So I have explained what is nose, larynx, pharynx. So today we can discuss about the trachea, then lungs. Okay. So this is known as trachea. This part is trachea. Okay. And you can see where it is situated. This is the part which is known as larynx. I have explained what is larynx in my previous video. Please check out. So this is larynx. Here trachea. Okay. And this the region in the center of the chest. That region is known as mediastinum. Okay. So where it is situated the trachea? Below the larynx. The trachea is situated below the larynx and going through the, or it extends through the mediastinum, okay, and in front of the esophagus. Where it is situated esophagus, I have explained the previous video. Please check out. So the trachea is situated below the larynx and extend through the mediastinum and situated in front of the esophagus. Okay. Okay, and you can see the small rings over the trachea. So this rings is known as cartilage ring. Cartilage rings, which provides rigidity for the walls of trachea. Okay, so these rings is known as cartilage rings and which provides rigidity for the walls of trachea. And also making this trachea always open due to the presence of these cartilage rings. Okay. And another at the sternal level, this trachea has been divided as two. So this two pipe is known as bronchi. We'll see about the lungs. Okay. So this is the lungs, two lungs. So this is right lung, this is left lung, and this right lung is little bit bigger than left lung. Okay, so this is bigger than left lung. And another thing, it has three lobes. Okay, so it has three lobes, and where this left lung has two lobes. And it is located little bit superiorly. Okay, little bit upward because due to the presence of liver in the right side, this lung has been superiorly situated. Okay, and another things you can see the branches here, that is known as bronchus. Bronchus. Okay, and the lungs is covered by a serous membrane. Okay, this serous membrane is known as pleura. What is that? Pleura. Okay, and this pleura is two parts. Okay, first is outside, that is known as parietal pleura. Okay, parietal pleura, and the inner covering is known as visceral pleura. Okay, so this is outside, which is parietal, and inside it is visceral, and this the part or the space between these two pleura, that is known as pleural cavity. Okay, so this is known as pleural cavity. So you can see the lungs, right lung and left lung. This right lung has three lobes, left lung has two lobes, and right lung is little bit bigger than the left lung, and the right lung is situated superiorly due to the presence of liver in the right side, and the lung is covered by two serous membrane, that is known as pleura. First serous or the outer covering pleura is known as parietal pleura, and the inner covering is known as visceral pleura, and the space between these pleura is known as pleural cavity.